Good evening, friends. We are here to talk about some important, interesting topics related to gravitation physics. Alright, so basically, what is free fall? A free fall is said to be when an object is falling from the top of the floor and it's falling towards the ground and there's a gravitational pull. So object is falling because of the gravitational force of the earth. Alright. Now, let's talk about difference between mass and weight. Mass is the quantity of matter contained in the body, whereas weight is the force of gravity acting on the body. Mass, it is a measure of inertia of the body. Weight is measure of gravity, right? Mass only has magnitude, whereas weight has magnitude as well as direction. Mass is a constant quantity, whereas weight is not a constant quantity. It is different at different places. Okay, mass is SI unit is kilogram and weight SI unit is Newton. So weight on earth and weight in space, your weight will be different when you go to space or when you are on earth. Okay, now let's move on to the next topic. Just imagine you are standing on the top of the floor of a building, 8th floor, right? You're throwing a stone and it's falling down. So the velocity of the stone is increasing. Okay. And you have also seen that example about Newton that he was sitting beside a tree and stone falls in front of his eyes towards the ground. Then he think, why didn't it fall towards left or towards right? Why it falls straight towards the ground? And what if it's not just an apple, it's something big, or something of big mass? So that led to creation of the theory Newton's first law of motion. Okay, so in that case also the gravitational force was a major player and it attracted the object, the apple, towards the ground. Here, gravitation is denoted as by small g. Okay, so for force, the force applied on the object equals to mass into gravity, that is mg. And further deriving it, F equals to capital G, capital M, small m upon d square, where d is the distance between the stone and the object, right? And here mass of the stone is denoted by small m and mass of earth is denoted by capital M. Alright, the next basic thing you should know is related to acceleration due to gravity. So whenever an object is falling on a free fall state, there is some acceleration applied on it, that is acceleration due to gravity. And further, let's have some basic question about it. Why is it difficult to hold a school bag having a strap made of thin and strong string? So just think about it. Alright, time's up. It is tough to carry a school bag having a skinny strap because of the pressure that is being applied on the shoulders. The pressure is reciprocal proportional to the expense on which the force acts. Alright, so the smaller the surface area, the larger is going to be the pressure on the surface. In case of skinny strap, the contact expense is quite small. Another concept is buoyancy. The upward force possessed by a liquid, that liquid is in a beaker. So upward force possessed by a liquid on an object that is immersed in it is referred to as buoyancy. Alright. Now I want to tell you about two different cases. First case is where there is a feather and there is a ball. These two are falling from some height. it's a normal arena. Another case is both are in a vacuum. In the first case, you will say that mass of the ball is more, so it will fall fast. But in the second case, in vacuum, both will fall at the same pace on the same at the same time in on the ground, right? All right. The next case, um, I'll talk in depth about this whole phenomena in the next video. Thank you.